What is up, ladies and gents? I hope everybody's doing great, doing well. Little bit of an update on the Miata. We are going to pull the Diff tonight. The motor is currently by Murid. Should be done soon, and the Diff is floating. So that has to come out, so we can sort it out. The mounts, obviously. When it comes to the motor, we were shocked to find out that the motor's been opened up prior to Ben owning it and running the bearing with it. And now you can see over there where the Diff is laying. The Diff's supposed to be up in there, so I don't know what's happening. So figure it out with me. Also, what's everybody's thoughts on a SR20 Miata? Because that would be interesting. Probably. These tires are just on here currently because they look a little smooth, but they will be spin tires when this motor is in. Okay, I did not realize the severity of this. Can you hear the pain in my laugh? Is this side fine? I think this side's okay, but okay, wow, I don't even know if that's salvageable. Now, personally, I don't know how a rear-wheel drive works. This is my learning curve. It looks like the whole subframe needs to come out. I'm not entirely sure. The wheels are currently off, and I guess that this is the bolt, or yeah, that's the seal for the Diff, for all the fluid to come out, if there is still fluid in here. So let's try and drain it, I guess. Don't know what I'm doing, can you tell? Ow, that was so. Oh, okay, it's loose. That's why. And now, just in case. Ooh, it smells nice. I don't know where this bucket needs to. Woo! Why does it sound like air? Oh, it's cold. Okay, that makes sense. Standard correction. It doesn't seem like the whole subframe needs to come out. Now that I've gone a little bit further in, it looks like there are 1, 2, 3 bolts on each side going through the Diff, on each side that are mounted. But then, other than that, also just the shafts running through. So drive shafts need to come out. Can we see quickly if I'm my knee? Can we see if I'm learning? Quite a tight space here, but that's out. So if I push that through there, should essentially come out. Well, if this comes out, that should go through, and then it can come out there. I'll figure it out, and I'll show you when I find out how to do it. I got it out. Surprisingly. And this is all back on because obviously the car is probably going to need to move, just in case it needs to move. It's not tight yet, but it will be tightened in case the car needs to move before everything's done. Yeah, then I can install it all, which is nice, I think, with a rear-wheel drive. Perks of a rear-wheel drive, I guess. Now for the other side. Okay, so before I carry on jamming to Madonna, the Diff is now free on this side. So what I'm going to try and do is, I'm going to take these mounts off now. Then the side's loose, and then I'm going to take those mounts off, and then I'm going to try and pull the Diff away from that side because it's a little tight where the wall is currently, and then maybe we can just leave all that in there. Maybe. I think it's about to come out, so just put you here. I might need some help. I think that's it. Oh shit, close. Lost. Uh-oh. I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself. You should be out. We'll be able to come out. Yeah. I don't know, if your Diff is. Oh, please forgive me, arms. Okay, and it's out. That one is laying there somewhere. I'll put it back in now. But that is the diff, and that's supposed to go there somewhere. I don't think anybody understands. Like, I don't expect anybody to understand. I don't expect it to matter to anybody. But personally, the diff is out, and I've done it myself, and I'm teaching myself the rear-wheel drive platform. So yeah, well done to me, man. Well done to me. And on that bombshell, that is tonight closing off, I guess. Gotta get the centers wheels inside, and then yeah, it's probably gonna be a couple of days for me, but I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Quick update to the vlog. Miata motor is done. I just need to put the tablet cover on and then get the diff sorted. But this is super dirty, so let's see if we can maybe just like tidy up here, take this loom and everything, put it into bags, and then we can maybe spray at the bottom there and make it look a little neater. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but there we go, all done. All the grease and stuff is off, packed up nicely. The loom and everything is under this packaging here, so all the grease and stuff is off. But yeah, the taillights need to go into the back, and it's gonna be a productive one.